Okay, we got a Champion inverter generator here today. Getting ready to unpack it. Alright, until our next episode. Okay, here it is, folks. Here's the front of it. Alright, you got, this is where you hook up the propane. Alright. And these are these link tabs where you can add more generators for more power. Here's a 30 amp plug. Okay. What do you want, kitty? There's my kitty. What's up, kitty? Alright, and then there's your 110 open frame inverter, dual fuel. Alright. Here's the side of it. Here's the fuel switch, it looks like. Here we got the engine. It's probably the carburetor, or the carburetor filter area there. What we got over here? Just like the inside here. That must be the exhaust. Alright then, to the next episode. Okay, we got into the box, and here's some of the stuff in the box. We got a quick start document, and then here's the owner's manual for it. And then here's a little bulletin, do not return, to your store. And then here, if you do a review, they send you a t-shirt. I don't know, let's see what this is. That's some kind of cap. I'll figure that out. Here's your, they sent a little funnel. Okay, putting in oil. Here's some, they sent some oil. I guess got to put oil in it. And then here's the regulator for the propane. And then they send you a little, this is a USB 12 volt charger. So, alright then. That's what we got in there. Alright, to the next episode. Okay, here's one thing you need to do too. See this little orange spacer in there? There's two of them. They put those in there so when the unit was traveling, it wouldn't be bouncing around on the rubber suspension. Alright, to the next episode. Okay, so the unit comes with no oil in it. Here's your dipstick where you put the oil in. See, nothing on it. And then they send you this 4-cycle here oil. Now, I did the calculations. It takes 20.23 fluid ounces, which this is what this comes up to. This is 0.6 liters. So it comes out to just right. So this whole thing, got to fill the engine with oil. Alright, to the next episode. Alright, getting ready to fire up on propane. So you got this switch here, get on propane. You got the connection that goes in there, and then here's my tank. Alright, we're getting ready to fire it up. Here's the choke lever here. This is on choke. What is that in my finger? So here's the lever. That's full choke, like it indicates here in the thing. Then you switch over there to no choke. So we'll put it on choke. Maybe it's warm enough, so maybe that'll get it to half fire, and then we'll go no choke, and then see if that happens. Alright, to the next episode. Okay, here it is, running on propane.